Hello, good morning, friends. I am Mr. Mahajan sir from Swami Vivekananda Sarvajanik Vachanalay Pimpalner, Sanchalit, late Sukhdev Nana Pagare Higher Secondary Ashram School, Kusumba, Taluka and District Dhule. Friends, our Honorable Chairman of our school, Mr. Advocate Sambajrao Pagare, the person he is always the source of knowledge to us. Sir always giving guideline to us. I am Mr. Mahajan sir, Mahajan Kailas Vasant, MA BEd English. Today I am going to explain the English language and its importance. English is very important language in the world. We know very well. English has its own importance. This language, how we have to develop, how we have to increase the vocabulary in the sense, in the communicative sense of English language. Friends, we have to learn how to improve English vocabulary in a good way. The topic of today's lecture is how to improve English vocabulary. English vocabulary, the ways are different. The words, the pictures, and the words, we collect the words to see the pictures and so on. Today, I am going to give some guideline on how to improve English vocabulary in the sense. There are some points to remember, friends. First point I'm going to explain. First one is read as much as possible in English. You know, if you want to improve your English, then you have to collect vocabulary. In the sense, if you have knows minimize 10,000 words, then you can communicate properly. So, from the communication point of view, we have to read as much as possible in English subject. You have to read English newspapers, novels, magazines, various different kinds of books in English. In English literature. So, in the sense, we have to study like this. Now, second point, that is use or refer a good dictionary. I am telling to you, if we want to increase our vocabulary, then suppose if you are reading the passage and some words are you are not getting to understand, then we have to refer dictionary, and in the dictionary we have to see the meaning of the word as well as the which kind or which sense of the word it is used. So in this way, use a dictionary is a good source of knowledge or good source of collecting new vocabulary. Third, do extensive and intensive reading and pay attention on new words. Intensive and extensive reading means actually we have to see the vocabulary carefully in the words, in the sentences. So, means we have to read carefully. Fourth point, keep a notebook for noting new words. In the source of knowledge or collecting the vocabulary, we have to keep one notebook for taking out new words and That's collection we have to keep forever. Fifth point, learn one word a day. This is also a new way. Means every day in our life, we have to decide that minimize, we have to learn one word in a day. So, in this way, per day, if we collected one new word in our dictionary, means in our mind dictionary, then automatically our vocabulary will improve. Next, try to use the new words, practice saying or writing them. Means we have to practice the words while saying orally or written in the sense. So, in this way, for the new kind of vocabulary, this is also a good way. Next, draw diagram or write words in group. For collecting the vocabulary, we can use this sense also. Means draw a diagram on the blackboard or write some new words on the board. So in this way, these are the common and short ways of increasing English vocabulary in the sense. Dear friends, you know the word formation process in English means word and the formation of new word. There are actually three basic ways are there. First one is prefix, second one is affix, and third is suffix. So prefix and suffix, these are actually two main ways to make a new vocabulary. In the first sense, prefix is means a letter or syllable put at the beginning of a word, that is meant by prefix. Pre means primary, preliminary, fix of that word, that is meant by prefix. For example, unable. Here the main word is able and the syllable or letter un is being joined to that word and the new word is being created, that is unable. In this way, this is the first process of making new word. Now the second, that is suffix. The process suffix, a letter or syllable added to the end of the word. Here in this process, we have to add the letter or syllable at the end of the word, end of the specific word. For example, fashion is the main word here, and able is join, the syllable able is to join that word, and the new word is created there, that is fashionable in the sense. So in this way, these are the two ways of uh, word formation processes. And the middle process is affix. Affix means what? Affix means the main word. In English, the basic word is that, and that every each and any word we can understand in the affix process in the sense. So in this way, these are the three processes of word vocabulary. Here I am going to tell you, friends, for example, if you want to make negative words, then the process of prefix it will help to you. For example, here I am going to tell you anti, the letter or syllable anti is joined to the septic, then the opposite word is created, antiseptic. Un, unable, dis, dislike, bio, bicycle, default, misguide, irregular, and inside. These are the prefixes to join the XYZ words, and then the new words are created, and that created words are in the negative sense. That's why these prefixes are called negative prefixes in English. In this way, students, I explained to you how we have to develop our vocabulary, how we have to increase English vocabulary for development of our English language and English communication point of view. So, these are the short and simple ways of improving our English language. Thank you. Dear friends, suppose you see my video on YouTube, and please, if you like the video, then do subscribe it and like it. Thank you.